What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Behind me right here we have the F-150 that we built. I got Kavan right here. He's going to explain exactly what we did, and then we'll go for a ride and let you guys check it out. All right, Kavan, let's explain to everybody about your F-150 that we built for you and what you got going on with it.
How's it going? First and foremost, I want to give Myatt's Garage the utmost grace. They're the ones who helped me out with this build. They did a fantastic job. I'm talking about the patient. Everything was top notch. So if you guys have any F-150 needs, or Chevy, because they also built my Corvette, they're the ones to go to. I got the itch to build a truck, so what we have here is a 2022 F-150 stock motor. It has twin turbos on it right now, so it's 67 66s with an on-3 kit. We also changed to a GT manifold, so it has a Ford Mustang GT manifold. It has a fuel system, so we're running a dual pumper JD fuel system in the car. Everything is still on a factory ECU too as well. We also, with their suggestion, we went with Motion Raceworks catch can, Motion Raceworks fittings and things of that nature. I mean, it is top-notch, clean, top to bottom. The car on gate made a 817, and that's at its lowest setting. This highest setting, we weren't able to turn it up on the dyno, and plus I do some grudge racing, but we'll just say that it's north of 1,000.
Yeah, and also we did do a Circle D converter and built trans by RSA. That thing shifts real crisp now. And we did do a switch panel on the center console right here. So the switch panel we put right here under the center console with all his boost control, his meth, and his stager and everything. Real clean. Then we put the wideband up over here, and then the little AMS controller on the other side. And yeah, we'll go for a ride in this thing and let everybody see it in action. There'd be more videos too. Also, we were down in FL2K, first time out. He ran what was it, McLaren 650.
Ran a McLaren, ran a built G80. We're running a lot of people. I mean, just from this simple setup alone, I mean, we're out here running 6130s in the mid fours like it's nothing. So,
and if there's any plaids out there, you know, that want to line it up, seems like all the plaids around here.
We're scaring all the plaids away. All the plaids are scared, but if any of them want to show up, I'm ready.
So, all right, let's get in this thing, go for a ride and see what we got. Drives like a stock truck.
Completely unassuming. We're in a boat. Turn this AC off.
Alright guys, so we're going to try a dig. We hadn't dialed it in yet. Still going to do some suspension stuff and get the bump box working and all that good stuff. So we're going to do just a simple foot brake just to see what it does and check it out. All right guys, that's it right there. that's just the beginning of this truck. There's going to be a lot more action coming soon. He's going to get the suspension dialed in. There'll be digs, rolls. I mean, anybody that knows Kavan knows he's down the race. And say, Kavan.
Once again, give a shout out to Myatt's Garage. For all your Ford needs, automotive needs, they're the people to go to. Car speaks for itself.
All right, guys, appreciate the video, and like and subscribe, and you'll see more of this truck and more cool stuff coming out of here. Thank you, guys.